Hey, Advanced Plant Soils class, and welcome to your last full week of e-learning. It's hard to believe that we're already this close to summer break, but nonetheless, we're here. So, just a couple reminders before I get into what I've asked you to do for today. First off, please remember that this week, the end of this week, is kind of the wrap-up time for e-learning. So if you're behind and you need to get some assignments in, please try and get those in and done by the end of the week, so that I've got an opportunity to work with you and get those graded before school completely runs out. Second thing is on the BASF certification. That's the second phase of what I'm going to have you do today. You do not need to do any of the downloadables or the printables or anything like that, just the quizzes and the assessments in each of those modules. That's it. Just complete the quizzes all the way through in each of those things. Get to the very end, screenshot your completed list. Okay. If you get to the end and it asks you to take the certification, I think it asks you to pay for it. You're not required to pay for anything. If you choose to do so, great. I hope you do. It's an opportunity that we have that you may not get down the road, and it's a cool thing to put on your resume, but you don't have to. Okay, all I need from you for the class is just a screenshot of the completed lists of those quizzes that you've done throughout the way. Okay, so that's the second thing for today. First thing that I'd ask you to do is I've got a quiz for you over the lawn establishment video that we watched last class, along with the vegetables that we did a while back. I gave you a list of all the vegetables a long time ago, and I've reattached that list in the module so that if you need a refresher, you can refresh yourself on those or use it as a word bank on that quiz if you so choose to do. Do what you got to do. Use the word bank. Refresh yourself on it. Makes no difference to me, but I'd like you, for the two things today, to do that quiz over the lawn and the vegetables, and then the second thing is take the time to finish up the BASF certification modules. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Nothing new per se, just time to work on what you've had and recap on some of the old stuff. The access code for that quiz today is TURF, T-U-R-F. And just a reminder, guys, okay, if there's anything I can do to help, sincerely, please let me know and reach out. I want to make sure you are all successful and have what you need going into the summer. A lot of you are going to leave here and be done very soon and go on to bigger and better things, but know that we're here. I'm here to help, and if there's things you have questions on, please reach out and let me know, so that you can take advantage of the people that are here right now that can help you. Okay. If I don't see you, have a great summer and good luck. Please stay in touch, and if I do see you, then I hope it's soon, and I hope you're all doing well. Talk to you later. Bye.